Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from a Safepal to your Cash App. Really easy and simple. Of course, first you need your Cash App Bitcoin address. So you need to open up your Cash App, tap on the Bitcoin tab at the bottom, and then just select on a deposit. Okay, Bitcoin to find your BTC wallet address, your Bitcoin wallet address, and then just go ahead and tap on a copy address because you will need this for the transfer, right? And then you open up Safepal, and now we're going to be initiating the transfer. So you're going to open up the Safepal wallet, and then go to your Bitcoin balance, right, in your wallet, and then just tap on send and just paste the Cash App Bitcoin wallet address in the recipient field and just enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Just review the transaction details, including the network fees, and just tap on confirm and approve the transaction. They just need to wait for the blockchain to process the transfer. This can actually take a few minutes to an hour, right? And then just open up Cash App, go to the Bitcoin section, and once the transfer is actually complete, and confirmed, your Bitcoin will basically appear in your Cash App a balance, and you can just hold the Bitcoin, or you can even sell it for US dollars within a Cash App. Now, some important things I want you to note: make sure you're actually sending a Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network, right? A BTC mainnet, because Cash App does not support other networks. Make sure this is very important, guys. Very, very important. And you want to also double check always the wallet address before sending, because once you set it the wrong address, your money's lost forever, right? That's how crypto works. And of course, blockchain network fees apply, so you want to check before you confirm your transaction. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.